Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of General Science, topic Matter, which is covered in chapter 8, Forms of Matter, starting on page number 86 of your textbook, titled Nutrients in Science, Evergreen Publications, and is being submitted to you on 18th of October 2021. Dear students, let us begin our topic with an activity. Just observe few things present around you and write the names of these things in your rough notebook. You may include all type of things here. They may be natural or artificial, living or non-living. You may pause the lesson for 3 minutes and write the names of few things which you have observed. Students, I hope you all might have written the names of few things. You might have written the things such as table, chair, television, plants, any animal, book, pencil, notebook, etc. Now, whatever is present around us is occupying some space, has some weight, and can be seen or felt by our senses. Senses here means the sense organs, and here we can perceive them through our eyes and skin. So, anything which occupies space, has weight, and can be perceived by our senses is matter. Children, all of you may now please open page number 86 of your textbook in front of you. Be ready with your pencil as we are going to discuss the activities given on page number 86. So first activity is a school bag containing books is a matter. So here question number 1 is, without lifting the bag, do you feel any weight? No, we will feel the weight only when we are lifting it. Now, lift your school bag. Do you feel the weight now? Yes, we will feel its weight now when we have lifted it. So, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is matter has weight. Now, discussing the activity 2. Children, you might have observed a balloon. A balloon without air can be held in the grip of our palm, but on blowing air into it, its size will increase. So, when we have blown air into it, did the balloon increase in size? The answer is yes. Did the blown balloon occupy space? Yes, it occupies space. Can air blown into the balloon be called matter? Yes, it is matter. So, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is air is matter and matter occupies space. For performing activity 3, you'll be needing an ice cube. Students, can you see the ice cube? Yes, it is your sense of sight. How does the ice cube make you feel? When you will touch it, it will make us feel cold. Which sense is this? This is the sense of touch. Now, on holding it, do you feel its weight? Yes. So, what is the conclusion? Matter can be perceived. Perceived means felt. We can feel it by our senses. Children, you all love to play with balloons. You enjoy blowing them and feel happy to see them flying. Do you know what's there in balloons which make them fly? Balloons are filled with hydrogen or helium gas, which is actually lighter than air. So, being lighter, it makes the balloon light and hence it rises up. So, now after this explanation, I hope you all are able to define matter as anything which occupies space, has weight, and can be perceived by our senses is matter. So, let us now discuss the composition of matter. Composition means what is matter made up of. So, let us discuss the composition of matter with the help of an example. You might have observed your parents getting a sack of grains, preferably the wheat grains, and then taking that for grinding to make flour that we use to make bread. The closed sack of grains is matter. When it is opened, the wheat grains are like molecules. When these wheat grains are grinded, the flour particles are like atoms. So, atoms are the smallest particle of matter. Molecules are made up of atoms and matter is made up of molecules. So, to summarize, matter is made up of molecules which are further made up of atoms. So, atoms join to form the molecules and molecules make up the matter. Now, matter exists in three states which we'll be discussing in our next week's assignment. So, students, here I'm concluding this lesson, and your home assignment for this week is question number 1. Write names of any 10 things, that is the matter, which you see around yourself. And question number 2 is do worksheet 1, page number 87 in your book. Thank you, students.